Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly convert your sketches into digital artwork using AI. And the best part, it's completely free. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, we're going to search for a fantastic AI tool called Styler AI. This tool is perfect for transforming your sketches into digital masterpieces. Once you're on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to get started. Now, let's add the sketch you want to convert. Simply click on Add Image and select your sketch from your computer. Adjust size. Great! With the sketch added, let's move on to the magic. Click on Image to Image to begin the transformation process. For a quick and easy conversion, click on Auto Prompt. Now, it's time to choose a style for your artwork. Let's go for something realistic this time. Click on Stylize to apply the chosen style to your sketch. Check out the results. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's add some more flair to our artwork. Click on Make one more style. This time, let's go for something different. How about Innocent Cutie? Once again, check out the results. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, select the artwork you like the most. Click on Place on Canvas to finalize the placement. Finally, click on Export to download your masterpiece. Now, simply hit download and you're done. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully converted your sketch into a stunning digital artwork using AI, all for free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy creating!